Hi, this is Gary with Aldan American. Today we're going to show you the coilover kits for our Chevelles and other GMA bodies. The kit includes everything you see here: billet aluminum shocks for the front and for the rear, dampening adjustable, and includes all of the grade 8 hardware to install the kit. We include the lower brackets that are a bolt-on, laser cut, fixture welded, easy to install. We've already installed our kit on our '69 Chevelle. We've dropped the front 2 inches, and now let's check out the rear. As you can see, we've installed the coilover kit on the rear of our Chevelle. We've dropped it about 3 inches. For more information, check us out at aldanamerican.com.